Here's a quick video to show you how to use the Sawyer Water Filter to filter your water in the backcountry. The kit comes with the actual filter, and then it comes with the bag as well. You're going to need these two things. It's really simple to do. If you're looking for one of these, check the links below. I got you covered. All right, the first thing you're going to do is take the bag. We're going to place it down into the water and fill this bag up, just like this. All right, next we're going to take the filter and we're going to screw this end here right onto the top of the bag. Go nice and tight with it. Now you can see on the actual filter where it says flow, it's pointing this way. So we're going to flip this upside down. And what we're going to do, we're going to push down on this bag, and it's going to push the water through the filter, which is right here, and clean, drinkable water comes out on this side. Just like this. You can put this water straight into your water bottle, or you could even drink it right from the spout there. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.